Here we are at entry point number 40, Homer Lake. I've never gotten in through here, and I'm not looking to do a long trip. It gets busy at the lodge in the summer, so sometimes I need to take it easy on my days off. So today I'm just going to take the time and experience Homer Lake for what it is. Middle of August, looks like temperatures are supposed to be from about 55 to 65 degrees. So that's just about as good as you can ask for. Also perfect sleeping weather. So I believe there are 2 campsites on Homer Lake. From what I can see, it doesn't look like anyone is occupying this first one right here, which is actually campsite number 2. So I may just go ahead and set up camp. So we're here at the campsite number 2. We've actually got a picnic table because I believe that we're just outside of the boundary waters, and this would technically be Superior National Forest. I wasn't sure where I'd be oriented to the moonrise from this campsite. I'd like to get some good footage, but according to my compass, it looks like we're in the perfect location. But in the meantime, I'm going to start a fire before it gets too dark. I hear a lot of talk about people not liking or liking certain campsites, but to be honest, I'm not sure I've ever come across a campsite that I didn't like. Although they're all different and some have nicer features than others, they all seem to have their own character and something special to offer.